Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken and baked potato recipe. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to start by seasoning my cleaned wings. You already know I always only have 30 minutes to meal prep dinner because, you already know the woman of the house. She runs me, I don't run her. So I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some Montreal chicken seasoning, some cumin, and this jam. And that's pretty much it. I'm not doing the most. It's super basic, but super effective and flavorful. I feel like from start to finish, how you season it, wash it, cook it is what makes the wing really good. And this is how it looks. Look how good that looks. We only used a few ingredients and we're going to be good to go. No big deal. Delicious, tender, flavorful, okay? So I'm going to add my wings to my pan. You can air fry these if you want, but I wanted it to have a little bit of sauce on the bottom, and so that's why I'm baking it instead of air frying it. But these will be perfect air fried if that's what you prefer to do. On top of that, I'm going to add a few pieces of butter, not on every single wing because then that'll be too much, but just, here and there. Then I'm going to cover it and pop it into the oven just like this. And then I'm going to now go on and work on the potato. So these are two russet potatoes, and I'm just going to, with a knife, I'm just going to poke them. And make little slits in the potato so that the steam can escape and cook the potatoes. Y'all, I didn't have no oil in my house, and so I used butter down in here just for some moisture, child, and some salt. Wrap this up, and then I'm gonna pop this in the oven as well. This is the chicken after about 40 minutes. As you can see, it looks like nothing. It looks like, Misha, what's going on here? So now at this point, you want to baste your chicken really well. Like every piece of wing or whatever part of the chicken you're cooking needs to be basted. So you want to baste it, baste it, baste it, baste it. And get it all over everywhere. And then you're going to pop it back in the oven uncovered. And that's where the magic is going to happen. I might tell a joke, but I never tell a lie. The magic always happens in the oven. As you can see, the wings are tender. I don't even have to pick it up. You can tell they're falling apart in the back. And they're tender, they're spicy, they're sweet, they're savory. Well, not necessarily super sweet, but they're just really good wings. So now on to the potato. I'm going to start plating everything up. So I'm going to slice the potato and then smush it like this. You could do a twice baked potato situation, but I kept it simple and cute. Like I said, I never have enough time these days ever anymore. So I just did a loaded potato pretty much. So I smushed it, added some butter, some salt, pepper seasoning. That's my favorite spice, by the way. It's perfect on steaks by McCormick. And then I'm going to add some sour cream. Most people like their sour cream on top. I don't. Sometimes, depending on what it is. Then I'm going to cover it in cheese. I'm going to pop it into the microwave for 30 seconds. It looks like this. And then I'm going to top it with even more steamed broccoli. So I melted it down so the steamed broccoli would stick. And that's why I did that. I probably should have just put the broccoli, then put it in the microwave. But that's neither here or there. Ignore me. But yeah, I'm going to put some steamed broccoli on here. I had some steamed broccoli from earlier in the day because I made some eggs with the steamed broccoli, and so that's what I decided to top my potato with. And then I just put the wings on the side, and this was pretty much dinner, and it was good to go. And it was so good, you guys. And then I put some sauce all over the wings, and because I'm gonna sop some of that up with the potato. And it was just so good, so delicious, easy to make, and very few ingredients. And look at this potato, y'all. Y'all look, look. And by the way, comment below and let me know how you like your sour cream. You like your sour cream on top or on the inside? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.